Mads, marag pasaka gini siya, Mads.
I love it. We're going up. We're gonna... Ang sakit para magtataas.
Golden. Going up, up, up.
We're going up. Perfecto.
Mads, morning ingon na to, Mads.
Exercise. This is good for our legs, our bum and our lower abdomen.
Extremities. Charot. Uy, pasaka gid siya, Mads. Morning, magyayos bili ani, Mads.
Hello.
Aloha.
Aloha. So look at that. It's steep going upward.
Very steep.
Very steep. We're going now to the Acropolis. So look at that.
Ang imong dughan man kay steep pug kay man.
Oh my God. Ayaw na i-mind akong dughan mga beshi.
Uy, abi nila dali lang musaka diri, dili ba ya?
Really chill.
Tara, Mads, oh. Ika po ika. Look, Mads, oh. Slowly.
OMG.
Slowly.
Malamig sa taas. Punta sa taas ang Acropolis. We're on the Acropolis.
Let's go here, Mads. Hala, sexy kay ka, Mads.
Di ba man? Wow. Ano ito dali?
Busy kay si Madam.
Nice man.
Mads, look at the view, oh, sa taas. Olive tree. Ay, di ni siya olive. Lahi ni siya. Aratilis ni siya, guys. Charot.